I recently woke up in like a cold sweat, remembering my insane LabCorp Twilight Zone drug test experience, and I just wanted to get a gut check to see if anything similar has happened to anybody else. I had to get a urine test for medical school to make sure I wasn't doing crack cocaine, and so I made an appointment at my local LabCorp, which at the time was like a random office building on 86th Street in an actual supply closet. I show up, I check in, and a man in a lab coat appears from nowhere and is like, "Are you here for a urine test?" I say, "Yes, sir." He said, "Are you ready?" I said, "I think so." He says, "Well, you're not doing your pee-pee dance." That's a direct quote. Those words left the mouth of an adult healthcare provider. "You're not doing your pee-pee dance." Okay. I was like, I think I'm fine. Like, I did in fact schedule this urine appointment. I am locked and loaded. Thank you, though. He goes, "Come with me." I was like, okay. He shows me a soup quart container and draws a fat Sharpie line like more than halfway up. "Oh, okay." He was like, "See, I told you you weren't doing your pee-pee dance." Too shy. I go back into the waiting room and start slamming Dixie cup after Dixie cup of the coldest water this earth has ever produced. I'm on Dixie cup number 10, 11. My body is shaking. My core body temperature has plummeted. I'm like crying out the water from my eyeballs. All of a sudden, a new woman appears, new character unlocked. She goes, "Oh, didn't have to pee?" And I was like, "I did. He just scared me, but I'm ready now. It's fine because I can always come back later." She goes, "No, you cannot. Once you start this test and I put in the order, I cannot let you leave the supply closet until you've produced enough pee to solve the water crisis in Flint, Michigan." And I was like, okay. So I go back to the Dixie cups. I'm throwing them back. I'm like, just shaking, a shell of a ballooned human person. Finally, I'm like, "Just give me the cup. I can't handle it." We go back there. This woman gives me a normal sized sample cup. Huh? I could have done that an hour ago. I passed with flying colors, obviously, because I have enough water on board to like sink a small cruise ship. But I'm wondering to myself, why on earth did that man say that I needed a metric ton of fluid for me to leave this establishment? What the hell's going on? All of a sudden, he's an apparition. He's gone. I'm left wondering, has he done this before? Does he have other victims? Does he actually ever ask for that much urine? And if so, what are you doing with it? And then I left, and I did not have crack cocaine in my urine.